On this video, I am going to show you how Inforbix helps you create a content list of drawings that is always up to date. Inforbix collects and accesses product data from anywhere in the company without moving data into a central repository or requiring any intervention from anyone in the company. It works with the data in its original location. So let's create the list. I'm going to create a list that starts by finding all the SolidWorks documents that were checked by an individual called Wanamaker. So I am now going to enter his name into the search bar, and Inforbix is going to return all documents in the company that relate to Wanamaker, but I want the SolidWorks, so I'm going to filter here on the left for SolidWorks drawings, and Inforbix quickly returns all the drawings in the company, no matter where they're located, that were checked by Wanamaker. But I want to go further because I want to create a list, and I'm going to use the product data application called tables to do so, and I'm going to now create and modify or customize this table so that it has the list that I like. So I know that it was checked by, and I want a few more attributes that are going to be relevant to me. I want to know that the title of this document, or rather the title of the project that I'm looking for is the side ledge project, so I'm going to move that over there. I also want information on who saved it last. So the last saved information I'm going to put next to the drawn by, because drawn by is the other attribute that I liked. And then finally, I like to have approved by. So what I'm doing here, I know that I'm moving a little fast, but all I want to show is that I'm able to customize a table or list into something that's meaningful to me. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to filter that particular table. So I mentioned earlier that the name of the project I'm looking for is the side ledge project. See if I can spell that right. Side ledge. And it was checked, of course, by Wanamaker. We searched for him to begin with. And the drawing was actually done by a guy named Schilling. It was also saved by the same individual, Schilling, and it was approved by an individual called Josh. So what have I just done here? So I've created or customized this table with the attributes and columns that I like or need for my particular report, and now I'm filtering against the information contained in this table. So I'm just going to now hit to filter. Inforbix is now going out and using the information that's already located to create this. And you see that now it comes back with a list of only 4 documents. I don't know if you noticed before, but there were over 500 documents that Inforbix found, and it was reduced now to 4. And we see that this is indeed the side ledge checked by Wanamaker, drawn by Schilling, last saved by Schilling, and approved by Josh. Now, I want to take this one step further because I'm going to go ahead and save this table, and I'm going to say this is the Wanamaker table list. I'm going to save it. So here's the magic now, because what I've done is I've saved the recipe. So every time I'd like to now get the latest information, Inforbix basically has saved the recipe for that particular list, and it will actually go ahead and automatically generate that list again. I don't have to redo the search. I can share that particular save with anyone in the company. The important thing is that now I am accessing a list without actually going into a database or a repository or a vault. I'm using the information that's there. I don't really care where it's located in the company. And all I know is that I was able to easily access the information that I wanted, and I was able to create a list or a table of that information that's meaningful to me. Thank you very much.